Hey guys, we still have 2 puppies. We're not keeping them as much as we would want to, but they are here. Here they are. Update, 8-week-old puppies. This is little Missy, and this is, we don't have a name for him yet. Okay guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, if you're new here to my channel, welcome. I live in like Louisiana, and we're about to get snow. If you don't know anything about Louisiana, we are down in the south and we never ever get snow. I've never actually seen like fluffy real snow, so like this is exciting to me, right? Every time I look at the weather, it keeps going up a percentage. Like earlier it was at 60 and then it went to 65 and then it went to 80 and now it's at 90%, so that's like really good. If you don't know us people in Louisiana, we go crazy for anything. We go crazy for hurricanes, and we buy out all the water from the store. We buy out the entire grocery store from everywhere. Everywhere is lines. Everywhere closes for hurricanes. Like, we just take cover and go home and have hurricane parties. But like snow, we shut down. We're like, no one's driving on that. My work, so we're not going in anymore. So we went to the store. Here, let's do a little haul. Barks 24-pack, frozen pizza, milk, sour cream, Red Bull because I need my caffeine, snacks because if the power goes out. We have also chips, some candy. We also have some hot chocolate. Hey baby. Hello little guy. Guys, he's so cute. I can't wait. Right now we're trying to find a home for him. I know he's gonna go to a great home wherever he goes. He's gonna be so much fun. He's so playful. He's always hiding in the corner. My little Missy here, she's adorable. She's tiny still. But yeah, I'll come back when something's happening. Hopefully it's snow. Guys, there's no way I just woke up and there's snow. There's literally snow. Oh my god, there's snow outside, guys. Yo, Chrisley, look at snow. Gigi, snow. I'm freaking out right now. I gotta wake up. Like, that is so crazy. I did not expect like all of that. Look out, there's snow. There's literally snow. Like snow.
Hell yeah.
There's it's so exciting. Chrisley, this is insane. I cannot believe this. And it's still coming. Like it's not stopped yet. I'm calling my mother because I want to be like, snow! Of course, she's not gonna answer. I wanted to be the first one to be like, snow, but whatever. I don't know what to do with myself. I don't know what to do. So I'm about to go out there and walk one of the doggies. This is what I'm wearing out there. The only like snowish shoes I could find. Guys, this is crazy. Oh my god. His little footprints. That's my car. See, what do you think? See? Hi, buddy. Come see. Oh my god, you get snow on your face. And it's fluffy. I sound like such a nerd, but I can't. He seems like it, I think. We never had fluffy snow here in Louisiana. I want to feel it. Oh my god, it's fluffy. Oh my god, it's fluffy. What are you doing, buddy? Found a pine cone. Of course you did. Of course you did, buddy. You found that. You found that pine cone in the snow. Gigi, mama. Look at it, Gigi. It's snowing. Come here. Look at me. Hey, mama. Say. Hey, mama. She's so cute. Oh my god, I think she loves it. She's covered. I love that she's like black so you can see. everything. It's probably too cold for the little baby, but I'm just gonna show him some snow. Look at the snow. Look at that. Okay, let's go inside. It's too cold. Little misty snow. Okay, you don't like the snow. Okay, I get it. You don't like the snow. Sorry, Missy. Hey. It's snowing. It's snowing. It's snowing. Let's go kiss in the snow.
You're so pretty.
We kissed in the snow.
We kiss in the snow. You got snowflakes in your hair. Snowflakes in your hair.
Whoa. Okay guys, here's a little update. It's now like 9:30, I think. And it's like really coming down now. It's covering the street. It's so crazy. Yo, this is insane. Like, did I show you my car? That's my car. It's covered. Like, that's crazy. I'm giving them a little update.
It's cold.
It wasn't this, I mean, it's not really cold, to be honest.
Well, it's a little more breezy.
Yeah, now the wind's slapping me in the face with the snow. Grizzly, there's snow on you. There's snow on you, buddy.
Hey guys.
What's up, dude?
Snow!
My second snow day.
Second.
My first snow day.
No.
I have my phone in my hand. Don't do that.
Oh my gosh. It's snow. It's so crazy. Easton. Look at the snow.
Pretty sure she's upstairs in her house.
Whoa.
Got her. Snow angel.
Snow angel. Oh. He said it's cold.
No.
Oh.
Well, I want to make one.
Good.
Well, I'm in the grass.
Whoa, it's so pretty.
Oh, Bella, make a snow angel.
Go ahead.
Mama, you better watch out.
Who's me?
You.
No, it's grass.
Uh-huh. Look at the snow, Easton. Look at the snow. Yeah. Okay, so it's like, what, like 11:30? What are you doing? And it's coming down, and it's not stopping.
Like, you're going to bed.
You build a snowman? Yeah. You know how? You just gotta keep adding snow to one block and keep compacting it.
Like this?
Yep.
Just, and just keep pushing it. That's rude.
Hey y'all, so I ended up coming in because it was so cold. But they're building a snowman out there. I want to see how far they came, but it's gonna be so cold. Whoa, this looks like so much different than when I last came out here. Let's see. Oh my gosh, look at that. They made a snowman. That's so cool. That's so crazy. Oh my god!
The fuck is happening?
Oh my god.
Oh, that's all. What'd you do?
Frothing it
Why?
because it'll be creamy.
Yeah, bro.
Yes, this Amy treats me like an adult. Really likes me.
This is what it's looking like out here now. Everything's like covered. It's now piling up in the corner. And it's now done snowing. So now it's just here. And there's like 20 million footprints everywhere. It's so funny. I'm not gonna lie, me and my boyfriend just took a nap. He's still sleeping right now. We were just so exhausted because we got up at 8 o'clock this morning and just immediately started going. Now we're gonna, for the rest of the night, just enjoy the weather, the snow, maybe clean a little because we should be cleaning. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like, comment down below what you guys want to see in the next video. And I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.